Okay, so there you go. I've put the antenna as close as I can to being outside of the house, and I've had success with this setup in the past. So, okay, at the moment, the GPS is trying to get a fix. You can see the LED is blinking about 1 second period. So I'll wait here for a few more minutes, maybe another 5 minutes, until it finally gets a fix. Then get back to the serial monitor to look at the data that it's producing. So it was taking a little bit too long to get a fix. So what I had to do was to remove the window cover, because it was made of a steel mesh. It's just fireproof for the area that we are in. So a minute after I removed the window cover, we got a fix. Okay, so let's have a look at our data now. You can see that from a V void, we moved to GPRMC active. So the A is a good thing. It means that we have a fix on a satellite. What else can we find out? If we look at the GPGGA sentence, one of the fields, so which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the sixth field tells us about the number of satellites that we have a fix with. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is it? I believe it's this one here. I believe this one here means that we've got a fix with 4 satellites. Better count that again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2. This one is 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So you got 4 satellites. Let's have a look at now. Do we have any more? It's like further down the track. GPGGA. Yeah, so we've got another satellite fix here. So we've got 5 satellites now, and so on. Now, what I'd like to do is to visualize the data. So at this point, I'm going to grab say this much of the data, and I'll put it in a text file. So I'll put the data in here and save it on my desktop. Test GPS data. So this is going to be a normal text file. Now I'm going to go to the GPS visualizer and upload the data. I test GPS data, and let's display it as maybe I'll choose Google Maps. It's the easiest. Let's see what it comes up with visualization wise. All right, so there we are. Zoom back a bit. So that's my location. So the red line here, you can probably see it, indicates my approximate location. It's close to where I am. So there is about 10-15 meters discrepancy between my actual position and where this red line appears to be. All right, so it's very easy to just get raw data out of your GPS module and then do some post-processing with an application that can parse it and extract geographic information on it. Other bits and pieces that you can find here are all explained in these documents, so you can figure out things like your exact longitude and latitude, the time, UTC time where the fix was taken, your altitude in meters, height, and many other things that I'm not really that familiar with. But if you are into the geographic information system space, you will be very familiar with. All right, so the first demo was pretty easy. Let's go and do something even more useful now. Let's have a look at what the Adafruit library has to offer.